See, there is a question related to the potential calculation. A compound of ferrous is undergoing different varieties of reductions like FeO4 minus 2 is converted to Fe3 plus, whereas the reduction potential involved in this process is found to be 2.2 volts, whereas that Fe3 plus is converted to Fe2 plus, the potential involved in this process is found to be plus 0.7 volts. That Fe2 plus is also further converted to Fe0, the potential is minus 0.45 volts. You are asked to calculate the potential from FeO4 2 minus to Fe2 plus. Step 1 and step 2 combinations resultant potential is found to be some x times of x into 10 power minus 3 volts. Then you are asked to calculate the x value. Whereas if I go for the calculation of oxidation numbers, here ferrous is maintaining plus 6 is oxidation state, here ferrous is plus 3 oxidation state, here ferrous is plus 2 oxidation states. Whereas this particular potential calculation is also related with the Hess law type of relation. In the Hess law, the total enthalpy delta H will becomes equal to step 1 related delta H plus step 2 related delta H. In the same way, total delta G also will becomes equal to delta G1 plus delta G2. From the thermodynamics, this delta G will becomes equal to NFE, whereas this will becomes equal to N1 E1 minus N2 FE2. It is equal. On cancellating the common terms like minus followed by F's in this case, this will becomes equal to N into E will becomes equal to N1 E1 plus N2 E2. Whereas here N1 and N2 indicates the number of electrons involved in the reduction, whereas the corresponding E indicates process based potential. If the process is reduction, this will becomes reduction potential. If the process is oxidation, this will becomes the oxidation potential. If I write the N1 and E1 information, plus 6 state is converted to plus 3 state, hence this N1 will becomes equal to 3, and the corresponding reduction process related potential is found to be plus 2.2, so therefore reduction potential is 2.2. N2, that is 3 is converted to 2 implies number of electrons will becomes equal to 1, whereas potential is found to be 0.7. Whereas the total N6 is converted to 2 implies 4 followed by potential. This is the potential that we have to calculate. On calculating this value, it appears as, yes, on calculating that 4E will becomes equal to 3 into 2.2, that is 6.6 plus 0.7, that is 7.3. E, the potential of this particular process from here to here, it is found to be 7.3 by 4, that is 1.835. That implies if I want to express that one in terms of 10 power minus 3, this will reaches as 1825 into 10 power minus 3 volts. It will reaches as 1825 into 10 power minus 3 volts.